What if I told you the Silver State could turn your small idea into a six-figure business? Whether you're 18 or 68, this is your chance to launch something big. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Nevada is one of the most business-friendly states in America. No personal income tax, low business regulations, and booming cities like Las Vegas, Reno, and Henderson where entrepreneurs are thriving. In this video, we'll explore 22 powerful business ideas that are easy to start, affordable, and have the potential to explode with profit. Stick around because Idea 22 might just be your golden ticket. 1. Airbnb Property Management. Nevada's tourism industry is massive, especially in Las Vegas, where Airbnb units are everywhere. But many hosts live out of state and struggle to manage bookings, cleaning, and guest issues. As a property manager, you can earn 15 to 30% per booking by offering cleaning coordination, check-in, check-out services, and guest support. Start with 1 or 2 properties in places like Paradise or Henderson and scale from there. 2. Mobile car detailing. With Nevada's dusty desert environment and high-end vehicles in places like Green Valley Ranch or Spanish Springs, mobile car detailing is a lucrative business. You'll need basic tools like a pressure washer, polisher, and eco-friendly soap. Offer packages for regular detailing, upsell interior cleanings, and promote your services in apartment complexes and dealerships. 3. Social media marketing for local businesses. Most small businesses, restaurants, salons, repair shops struggle with online visibility. You can help them grow by running Facebook ads, TikTok content, or Instagram Reels. Focus on areas with high business density like downtown Reno or commercial zones in Henderson. As your client base grows, you can even offer full content creation packages and monthly retainer plans. 4. Real estate photography and drone services. Nevada's housing market is booming, especially in Pahrump and Incline Village, where properties are marketed as high-value investments. Real estate agents need crisp interior photos and aerial drone shots. Invest in a DSLR camera and FAA-licensed drone, and bundle your services for listings, Airbnb, and commercial properties. 5. Desert landscaping business. Traditional lawns don't work in Nevada's dry climate. Homeowners and businesses are turning to xeriscaping, low-water, drought-resistant landscaping. Offer services like gravel layout, cactus planting, and drip irrigation installation. Market to eco-conscious neighborhoods and HOA communities in Sparks or Boulder City. 6. Food truck or street vendor. With nonstop foot traffic in Las Vegas and Paradise, a food truck or pushcart business can generate serious income. Think outside the box. Korean street food, gourmet coffee, or dessert carts work well. Start by participating in local markets or festivals and gradually apply for a mobile vendor license to operate in high-traffic tourist zones. 7. Customized Western apparel. Nevada's cowboy culture is still alive, especially around rodeo events and Western festivals. Start a business selling custom-embroidered shirts, hats, or leather belts. Use platforms like Etsy or set up pop-up booths during events in Carson City or Pahrump. Offer personalization options to attract tourists and locals alike. 8. Solar panel cleaning and maintenance. Solar panels lose efficiency when covered in dust, and in Nevada, dust is everywhere. Offer regular cleaning services to homeowners and businesses with solar installations. It requires minimal investment, a water-fed pole, biodegradable cleaner, and soft brushes. Target newer suburban communities in Henderson or Indian Hills, where solar use is growing. 9. Senior concierge services. Nevada is a popular retirement state. Many seniors in upscale neighborhoods like Green Valley Ranch or Incline Village live independently, but need help with tasks like grocery shopping, pharmacy runs, or tech setup. Start a concierge business charging hourly or flat monthly packages. It's low-cost, community-driven, and scalable, 10. Pet sitting and mobile grooming. With a rising number of pet owners across Nevada, especially in family-friendly areas like Spanish Springs, this business is in demand. You can start pet sitting from your home or offer drop-in services. For grooming, convert a van into a mobile unit and serve busy professionals in Paradise or Reno who prefer in-home convenience. 11. Mobile notary and loan signing agent. Nevada's fast-paced real estate and legal sectors create high demand for mobile notaries. Get certified as a loan signing agent and serve title companies, realtors, or individuals needing documents notarized. Work is flexible and you can charge $75 to $200 per appointment, especially around home closings in Las Vegas or Sparks. So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. Forming an LLC is easy. It's extremely easy to get started with LLC formation services at Northwest Registered Agent. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. You simply go to its website and elect for the company to complete the process for you. Then, you'll select the type of business you want to form: LLC, corporation, or nonprofit. From there, you'll select your state and whether you would like to pay for a 7-day processing period or a 1-day period. After that, you'll only have to pay and submit basic documentation about you and your business. Then, the company will take it from there to get your business registered. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. 12. Junk removal and hauling services. People are always moving, remodeling, or cleaning out properties. With just a truck or trailer, you can offer junk removal services. Start in expanding areas like Pahrump or Reno where construction and housing turnover is high. Partner with realtors, landlords, or storage units for recurring gigs. 13. ATM business. Las Vegas alone sees millions of cash transactions daily, and many small venues prefer cash. With just $2,500 to $3,000 investment per machine, you can install ATMs in smoke shops, bars, tattoo parlors, cannabis dispensaries, and even gas stations across Pahrump or downtown Carson City. Earn passive income from every withdrawal and scale with volume by adding more machines over time. 14. Vending machines in high-foot traffic areas. From apartment complexes to student housing and break rooms, vending machines are a recession-proof business. Nevada's hot climate makes cold beverages and snacks top sellers. Start with healthy snacks or energy drinks in areas with students or office workers. Green Valley Ranch and Sparks have modern residential growth, making them perfect for your first placements. 15. E-bike or scooter rentals. In walkable urban zones like Reno and Paradise, tourists and locals alike want fast, eco-friendly transport. Launch an hourly rental fleet of electric bikes or scooters with GPS tracking and app integration. Target parks, hotel zones, downtown tourist areas, and Airbnb listings. Add value by offering tour route maps or bundled day passes for higher revenue. 16. Tour guide for niche experiences. Don't just give a tour, sell an experience. Create niche tourism services like ghost town expeditions, Area 51 conspiracy tours, historic Hoover Dam walks, or stargazing campsites. Las Vegas visitors often crave something beyond the Strip, and you can offer customized packages on Airbnb Experiences or TripAdvisor. This business is ideal for locals with storytelling skills and a passion for Nevada history. 17. Event planning and party rentals. Las Vegas hosts everything from weddings to wild bachelorette parties, while suburbs like Green Valley Ranch are filled with high-income families needing birthday or graduation events. Start by renting photo booths, LED backdrops, throne chairs, or pop-up tents. Scale into full event planning services, corporate events, quinceañeras, or destination weddings, and partner with florists or DJs for bundled packages. 18. Personal security and escort services for high net worth individuals. Wealthy visitors and celebrities in Las Vegas often require discreet personal security. If you have a background in military, law enforcement, or private security, offer VIP escort services. Clients may need event security, airport pickups, or even round-the-clock protection. Present this as an elite white glove service and price accordingly. 19. Specialty moving services for high-value items. Not all moving jobs are created equal. Focus on fragile, antique, or luxury items. Pianos, artwork, wine cellars, gaming rigs, or casino equipment. Offer custom crating, white glove delivery, and setup. Affluent neighborhoods and boutique businesses will pay more for careful, specialized help, especially in Reno and Carson City. 20. Mobile aesthetic services, Botox, skincare, and for hydration. Partner with certified nurses or estheticians and build a mobile service offering on-demand beauty and health treatments, Botox, facials, chemical peels, or vitamin 4 drips. This works extremely well in wealthier parts of Henderson and Paradise, especially for women hosting events or wanting private in-home service. 21. Tourism-focused personal shopper and stylist. Wealthy tourists in Vegas often want a shopping experience without hassle. Become a personal shopper offering full retail tours, styling sessions, and even designer outfit sourcing. Work with high-end brands in Summerlin or Fashion Show Mall. Combine with event wardrobe styling, especially for performers or influencers. 22. Reselling and thrift store business. If you're starting from zero experience, opening a reselling or a thrift store is a fantastic way to build a business without a big investment. You can source gently used clothes, vintage items, collectibles, or electronics from local thrift shops, estate sales, garage sales, or online marketplaces. Nevada cities like Las Vegas and Reno have huge markets for affordable fashion and unique finds, from budget shoppers to trendy young people and tourists hunting for souvenirs. By the way, if you're feeling inspired by any of these ideas and you're thinking, should you consider forming a business? Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. Do it yourself. Hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. They offer to walk you through the formation process for free. When you create a free account with Northwest, you'll gain access to online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthroughs, and company document creation. All you have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you're confused or find these steps difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on the state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they will file your LLC for you, saving you the hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent are also provided in the description below. Alright, those were the 22 best business ideas to start in Nevada, from the hustle of Las Vegas to the growing communities in Reno, Henderson, and beyond. Whether you're young or experienced, there's a business here for everyone ready to seize Nevada's amazing opportunities. If you found value in this video, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest business tips and ideas tailored just for you. Got questions or want me to cover a specific city or business type? Drop a comment below. I read everyone and would love to help you start your Nevada business journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, your success story starts today.